Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I've got two parts of the video to get through. The first part is going to be an unboxing, and then we're going to get into the main topic of today's video. Now today's video is about how I'm going to document my stack. Now I used to keep a spreadsheet, and I actually kept a spreadsheet up until I got 1,000 ounces of silver. I was tracking it, every single purchase. I was listing how much I paid for it and the item. Now, once I hit my kind of base stack, if you like, and I started going down the route of picking up poured silver and more collectible pieces, I stopped documenting it as much. Now, I did still document a few things here and there, but the bulk of my stack, the stack that I showcase, especially in videos, like the stuff you can see here today, this is not actually documented anywhere as such. It's dotted around. I've got emails of confirmations, and I've got notes on my phone, and some of it, like I said, is actually on my original spreadsheet, but the bulk of it isn't actually documented anywhere. Now, I found a really cool way to document them and track them. And we'll be getting into that in the second part of the video, but let's get straight into the unboxing first, and I'll show you what we have here. Now, I can't exactly remember what I picked up here because these were picked up over the course of a couple of weeks, and Silverpunk has got them all back from hallmarking at the same time and bundled them all together and sent them all over as a package. So I'm not exactly sure what's in here. I'm hoping I haven't got anything in here that I forgot about that I picked up for a giveaway for the future, but there might well be, but I can always cut that out of the end editing if that's the case. But you can see, as with all of Silverpunk's work, it always comes extremely well packaged. We've already gone through 2 layers of packaging, and there's now a 3rd layer. We've got a bag here, and again, they're all in individual bags in here as well. So we've got 2 separate bags here. And this is quite exciting for me as well, because like I said, I can't exactly remember what I've picked up. So let's have a little look. All right, here we go. That's the first piece there. Nothing else in there. Such good packaging, really nice. I love reusing these Silverpunk jiffy bags when I send out mail calls and things like that. It's a little bit different. They're not your everyday bog standard plain white or plain brown jiffy bag. Wow, I do remember this piece now. Wow, that is a stunning piece. That feels great already, and I haven't even looked at it properly. Right, let's start with this piece. I'm not exactly sure what I've got here. Melting Skull Bar. Right, so I do remember what this piece is. Now, this was a video that Silverpunk released a few weeks ago now, and it was a 2-hour long, I believe. It might have been slightly longer than 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours long, 2 hours 15 minutes, something along those sort of lines. And it was basically the A to Z pouring guide. Now, for those people in the community that want to get into pouring silver, or you're interested in the process, I definitely recommend checking out the video. I will leave it in today's video description, but it basically puts every single thing that Silverpunk has learned over the years into one video. So it really is a video that you need to sit there with a notepad, especially if you're trying to learn this sort of thing, and just take notes throughout. And the whole video is incredible. I watched it from start to finish. I think I watched it over the course of 2 or 3 days. I watched kind of half-an-hour blocks here and there. But the whole video is incredible. And during the video, he pours 2 silver bars. And this is one of them. Now, I believe the other one has just been sold in an auction on Stacker Social. So both of these bars that he poured during this video have now been sold. But I thought it's a really cool part of YouTube history. And I've said it many times before. I think that Silverpunk is going to continue to grow his channel. He's going to continue to grow his fan base. And he's definitely going to be one of the largest pouring channels out there. I strongly believe that, because he has such a large community following already. And he's only been making videos for a relatively short space of time. So that is why I picked this bar up, purely because that particular video, I think, is going to end up being one of his most viewed videos, because there's so much knowledge and information packed into one video. So I thought this is a bit of YouTube history to have a bar that potentially could be in one of his largest videos, his biggest viewed videos in the future. I'm quite glad it came out this way because you can see the rough edges of the back of the bar. You can also see the hallmark. Now these are 2025 hallmarks. I haven't really got a setup good enough in today's video to show them that close. You can probably see them fairly good there. And then you've got the A, the Yanker, 3 9s and SP for Silverpunk. And let's flip it round and show you the bar. Look at that. Now, like I said, he actually poured this during that video. He poured 2 versions of this bar. The designs were the same, but one of them he kind of gave a Silverpunk toning effect to. And for those of you that are not sure what that means, let me have a little look. Here's one at the back in here. A Silverpunk toning is where he goes to town on it and he gives it all these nice looking colours. You get purples, coppers, blues, browns, all different colours. And that is the kind of the original Silverpunk toning. But he's also started doing more and more antique toning, which I think is proving to be very popular in the community. A lot of people like the antique look, myself included. And that is the finish that he gave to this bar. So it's more of an antique effect as opposed to multiple colours. But absolutely stunning looking pour. And like I said, I brought this simply because I think it's going to be one of his most viewed videos in the future. And it'll be cool to have a bar that was actually poured during that video. A little bit of YouTube history. And the design looks absolutely incredible as well. Not massive collector of skull designs and things like that, but still it looks absolutely incredible. Really nice pour, and I'm going to say that's around about 2 ounces, maybe a little bit under. What have we got? 1.79 ounces, so yeah, just under 2 ounces. So it's got a really nice bit of weight to it. So that's the first pickup. Thank you very much, Silverpunk, for sending that across so quickly. And then next we have, and this is an absolute chunk, this is 100 grams and it's 31 grams in a troy ounce. So you're talking over 3 ounces of silver in this piece. This is GTA Lady with Bat. And the reason it's called that is it literally looks like one of the characters from the game GTA. Wow, this feels so good. I'm so glad I picked this up. This feels absolutely incredible in the hand. The relief looked high when he showcased it on photos, but the relief in real life is even more incredible. Now the actual profile of the bar is quite thin. You can see that's quite a thin profile. Even the camera is finding it hard to focus because it's very thin around the edge. But that is amazing because it really shows you the jump up in thickness. Look at that. Look at that thickness on her head there. Absolutely incredible. Now this has got to be one of the highest relief bars that I've actually picked up from Silverpunk. And I believe that's because he started doing a new process. But that is absolutely incredible. Look at that design. The design is absolutely incredible. Really like all the background that's going on as well. You've got all this kind of city in the background. Absolutely stunning. And it is literally, got to be careful where I rub on this, but it's literally such a high relief piece and it feels so good in the hand. Just to play around with it, to feel all the different textures and everything like that is incredible. Wow, that is a stunning bar. Now I believe this is a bit of a series that Silverpunk has been releasing. And this makes me want to grab another one from the series. Just absolutely incredible piece. Really nice. Really like that. That has got to be one of my favourite poured pieces. And as you can see from my backdrop, I have a lot in the collection. So to say that really puts it up there in my collection. So there we go. That is the second pickup. Absolutely outstanding. I'm a little bit speechless actually on that piece because, yeah, just the relief and the feel of it and just look how amazing it looks. It looks so good in the hand as well. Absolutely incredible. Really chuffed with that. Haven't even shown you the back of it. There's the back, nice raw finish with the hallmarks down there. Wow, absolutely incredible. Silverpunk, I love the toning that you're doing on these pieces, how it's like an antique finish. That's right up my street. I love the colour of silver, and you still get to appreciate the colour of silver on these bits here. You can still see the colour of silver, but then with the darker tones in it as well, it almost gives it like a shadow, like a, yeah, really accentuates all the detail. So yeah, amazing, absolutely incredible. And this just goes to show you why I think Silverpunk is going to go really, really far in the community and continue to grow as quick as he's been growing, because the pieces that he's producing just keep getting better and better and better, and that is absolutely outstanding. So thank you very much, my friend, for producing those and sending them across so quickly. Now this video is already got extremely long, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to make this into a two-part video. I didn't realise that I was going to get so carried away on showcasing these particular bars. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it into a two-part series. I don't want this video to be too long. It's already coming up to 10 minutes. Well, it's over 10 minutes. It's 12 minutes now, but by the time I edit it down, it's probably going to be around about 10. So we're going to stop the video there. We're going to call this a Silverpunk unboxing or something along those lines. And we're going to go into the topic of what I wanted to talk about in the next video. So I will eventually, when I get round to editing the follow-up video, I'll put that in the description of this video so you can follow along. But we're going to wrap the video up there. Thank you very, very much for watching. I do believe that these bars deserve their own separate video anyway. Absolutely incredible, stunning work, really, really nice, fantastic. So we're going to add them there. Hope you all have a very, very nice day, and thanks very much for watching today's video.